Allegations of fake COVID-19 test reports were issued by a private laboratory roped in for conducting random tests during the Kumbh Mela. The Uttarakhand government has ordered an investigation into the matter. The issue of fake reports emerged when the Indian Council of Medical Research flagged the case. A person with a senior health department officer in Uttarakhand was in Punjab during the Kumbh period. He received an SMS that his sample had been collected for a COVID-19 test. He reported the matter to ICMR through email, alleging that his Aadhaar and mobile number had been misused for a fake test. The Uttarakhand official conducted a preliminary inquiry into all the tests done by that particular lab during the Mela. They discovered that more such fake reports were issued using the details of different people. The lab that is facing the inquiry had been assigned the task of conducting rapid antigen tests in the Mela area. A total of at least 24 private labs were roped by the district administration and Kumbh Mela administration for conducting random testing of Kumbh visitors. Haridwar District Magistrate C. Ravi Shankar said a 3-member committee under the Chief Development Officer is formed to conduct the inquiry. He said tests done by other private labs will also be investigated on the basis of the findings from the first lab. The committee has 15 days to submit its report. The district magistrate added that if the allegations of fake COVID reports are found true, an FIR will be registered and further action will be initiated. Mela Health Officer Arjun Singh Sengar said the Mela administration had roped in 10 ICMR approved private labs which conducted over 2.52 lakh tests during the Kumbh Mela period.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.